Hello everyone, I'm Rabbi from Robotin. In our very first live stream, many of you asked how Robotin R2 handles the toughest stains, how does it refill the clean water, empty the dirty water, how good really it dry, and how fast it can dry. Today, we'll answer all in one test. To answer that all, we are putting R2 to the test on a cut file carpet. First, we will create a tough stain using chocolate. You know how difficult chocolate stains can be. One of the hardest to clean. Now let's see how easy it is with R2. Just open the Robotin app. Tap on the spot clean, tap here, place it to the stain, and hit the play button. Boom! It's on the move. We'll start the stopwatch to see exactly how long the whole process takes. Watch the suction head closely, it's washing now. You can see the bubbles forming and the water flowing upward through the suction head. Notice how smoothly R2 is cleaning the carpet. Let's fast forward a bit to save the time. The stain is almost gone. Let's make another one to push R2 further. With the carpet washer and dryer module, it keeps working effortlessly. Look at that wash quality. It's comparable to some heavy-duty handheld carpet washers. Now R2 is heading back to the docking station to empty the dirty water tank. Listen carefully. You can hear the sound of dirty water emptying. It's not noisy at all. Next, it returns to the wet carpet area. First, it sucks all the water. We will fast forward again. Now it's going back to the dock, empty the collected water. Done. Now comes the real drying. R2 blows 110°F hot air directly into the carpet while moving around. Thanks to its humidity sensor, it detects any remaining wet spots and keep drying until everything is completely dry. Drying finished. Let's check the stopwatch. The whole process took less than 37 minutes. Let's confirm the carpet test. It's completely dry. And let's confirm it with a tissue paper. See, it's completely dry. That's it for today's video. Comment below what test you want us to try next. And don't forget to follow Robotin on all social platforms to keep connected with the Robotin community.